note that this is an unbiased, genuine review and not a sponsored or promotional video. Package. This Camel watercolor set comes in a plastic covering and is available in 12, 18 and 24 shades. I purchased the 24 shade set, which costs 110 rupees in 2024. The plastic packaging is sturdy and the colors appear bright and attractive, making it appealing to beginners. However, the brush provided is small and of cheap quality, making it uncomfortable to use. On the plus side, the top of the box can be used as a palette. The artist watercolor set comes in an eco-friendly package. However, the color swatches provided on the packaging don't quite match the actual colors, so let's create our own swatches next. This 24 shade set costs 400 rupees in 2024 and is also available in 18, 24, 36 and 48 shades. The colors themselves are more subdued and natural, making them ideal for realistic and scenery painting. This made of low-grade plastic more likely to break, so it's not suitable to use as a palette. I'm impressed with the size to artist-grade brush that's included, which is comfortable to hold and perfect for detailing. Overall, I'm excited to work with this set, and it's performing exceptionally well. Swatch. The colors in the Camel Student Watercolor cakes are bright, regular and familiar, making it easy to select the right color. I noticed that a couple of colors appear quite similar. Overall, this set is well suited for kids and beginners as it's easy to use and navigate. The colors in Artist Watercolor set are unique and realistic, but not immediately familiar. They require a deeper understanding, as some colors becomes lighter shade when wet, making it challenging to identify them just by looking. Mastering these colors demands practice, but the effort is worthwhile. I really love the variety of blues and greens, but the yellow shades seem almost similar. Painting experience. The artist paint colors are vibrant and blend smoothly on paper. With high pigment load, the paints yield rich colors. The artist grade brush offers superb control, excellent paint absorption, and is ideal for detailing. Pigmentation is good, but not as rich as artist grade. Brush is manageable, but not very comfortable. Blending is not good. Colors are surprisingly vibrant, especially pink and purple. Key difference: artist-grade paint offers better quality and durability, resisting fading for many years. Student-grade paint fades easily, making artist-grade a better investment for long-lasting art. Thanks for watching.